We are extraordinarily excited to show you our latest listing, 44 Hemford Crescent. 44 Hemford is a gorgeous, custom-built designer home, built with integrity, precision, and love. Not one detail has been overlooked, and this home has been built with family in mind. Come on in for a tour and see what you think. Thank you for joining us today, and we hope you enjoyed the tour of this simply magical home, 44 Hemford Crescent. If you would like more information, please give us a call. My cell is 416-802-2497. Have a wonderful day, and until next time, all the best from Team Compton.